Welcome to Flower Power, a series of films on the magic and power of Bach Flower Remedies. Bach Flower Remedies were discovered by Dr. Edward Bach in the 1930s. Dr. Edward Bach was a Harley Street physician, very popular, very successful, but very dissatisfied with the work he was doing. He felt that the medicines that he was giving or the treatment that he was giving was not really working on the person. It was working more on the symptoms. And that's when he went to nature to discover these remedies. He was deeply intuitive. He could actually figure out the energies of the plants. He discovered 38 flower remedies and he created one composite. So 39 remedies in all. What do Bach flower remedies work on, or how do they work? So Bach flower remedies work on a simple premise. Illness in the human body happens because of negative emotional states. Negative emotional states like anger, fear, shame, guilt, repeated over a period of time create residue, toxic residue in our body, which shows up as illness. This illness can be cleared only with positive vibrations. So what Bach flowers actually do when you take them or use them is they flood your system with a positive energy which kind of flushes out. Dr. Bach used to refer to it as a snowfall clearing out all the damage or all the negativity within our system. So do they work only on emotional states? Yes, they work on emotional states, but when they are working on emotional states, they help physical states. So if you come to a Bach flower therapist with knee pain, can the therapist help? Yes, I have done that so myself very successfully, because knee pain or any kind of pain in joints is often a function of rigidity of thought. Just the way asthma or breathing problems is a function of feeling suffocated or stifled in life. So we work on those feelings, we work on helping those feelings get aligned rather than just on the symptom of asthma or breathlessness. Any illness in our body is like a wake-up call. It's our soul telling us when we have strayed away from our purpose or when we have strayed away from positivity. Because the function of human life, the purpose of human life is to stay aligned, is to stay centered, is to stay connected to the source. And that's the beauty of Bach. Nature is always in a state of alignment. Nature is always in a state of staying connected to the source. So when you imbibe these essences that were created in nature, you are also, in a sense, aligned to the source. Very simple to take, very simple to learn. These remedies are absolutely safe. They have no side effects. They are 100% natural, vegan, if you want to put another label on it. Can you take them with other medication? Yes, you can. But at some point of time, I think that other medication will become a little superfluous. You may not really need it. Who can take Bach flower remedies? Somebody once asked me this question, and my response was anything with a soul can take Bach flower remedies, because they are soul remedies. So can I use them for my plants? Yes, you can. Animals, of course, and for yourself. I invite you to try these. I invite you to learn more about these. These remedies have, I know, changed my life and lives of multiple clients that I have worked with. I'm sure they'll bring that magic to your life too.